Hey guys, thanks for clicking on my video. Never actually posted a video on YouTube, so bear with me. I didn't want to bother with editing and all that. Just wanted to get this info out there. I recently got COVID and recovered from it, but my sense of taste and smell was not back. I couldn't smell or taste a thing as of yesterday morning. A friend from work told me about this tip. Don't know if it's gonna work for everybody, but it definitely worked for me. I'm just gonna get into it. You're gonna need an orange. You're gonna need some pure brown sugar and your stove. I'm gonna use this comal. That's what Mexicans call it. It's like a flat griddle thing. I don't know. I'm pretty sure you can use a skillet, but basically I'm gonna cut the orange into 4 pieces, so 1/2 and then another half, just like this. So 4 of these, and I'm going to put it over the fire and basically keep moving it around, keep toasting it so that it gets nice and charred all around the edges. So I'm just gonna put them onto this thing. You'll see here, I hope you can see, all on there over the fire. So basically I did this yesterday, and within a couple of hours I ran to my coffee thing. I opened it and I could smell a hint of it, a very small hint. And then when I cooked dinner, I could actually smell the food. So I was very, very excited. So this thing's gonna start to warm up, and I'm just gonna kind of flip them around. Like I said, it's gonna get a little toasty and charred on both sides. In the meantime, I'm gonna grab my brown sugar and get it ready. I'm gonna sprinkle a couple of tablespoons over the oranges when they're nice and warm. So Maria, my friend from work, she let me know to try and eat it as warm as I could. So I did do that, and like I said, I don't know if I was already getting my sense of smell back or if it's a mental thing, but it worked. So basically I'm gonna keep flipping the oranges until they get nice and charred. Put the sugar over it, it's gonna kind of stick to it, and eat them up. And that's all I did, and I was able to smell. So if you have these couple things at home, doesn't hurt to try it. I'm not a scientist, I'm an accountant. Make sure you listen to your doctors, all that disclaimer stuff, but try it out and let me know if it works for you guys, because there was nothing worse than forcing myself to eat without being able to taste anything. So you'll see that the oranges start to get kind of brown. There's some steam coming out. So I'm gonna keep moving them around, and yeah, should fully restore, because yesterday I couldn't smell a thing, couldn't taste a thing. I was able to taste a little bit later on, and then today, this morning, I could taste my coffee, and so it goes from mild warm to hot pretty fast. And I can do this with my hands because I'm used to flipping like tortillas and stuff, so just you might need to use a spatula or something to flip these if you're not used to the fire. But yeah, they're getting there. So again, don't think it matters what kind of sugar. This is pure cane sugar. This is a regular orange. And yeah, go ahead and try it. You don't need to wait to the end of this video, but I just want to show you what it looks like once I add the sugar on there, and how, you know, it kind of almost melts. And that's it. So I'm gonna turn them off. This is what they look like now. See, still really warm. I'm gonna put it on my cutting board here. Whew, it's hot. Put a little bit of sugar, you know, over them. like, you know, you can't see this, but I'll show you in a minute. And just kind of tap it over them with my fingers so that it could stay. I don't know what it is about the sugar. I don't know what it is about the orange in your taste buds. And I don't know where her granddaughter heard it from, but you guys are the real MVPs. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Just kind of tapped it on. And now it's still warm. Just try to eat it. Careful not to burn yourself. That's it. I hope it works. Good luck, guys. Get better, stay safe, and take care.